Good afternoon, everyone. Today is May 19, 2025, being Monday. Thanks for joining me in this video. Something significant happened at Abuja airport yesterday, and I see that this thing has not been in the news as it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a subject of discussion in the mainstream media so that people will understand what we talk about every day. And what could that be? Breaking: wanted kidnapper caught at Abuja airport while preparing for Hajj pilgrimage. So he was preparing for Saudi Arabia, pilgrimage. He was caught at Abuja airport. But there is a question that people put forth at Abuja that a lot of people are not taking note of. Number one of the question is, who put his name as part of the people who are going to pilgrimage? The people going to pilgrimage are selected number of people who will go and represent the Muslim faithful in Nigeria. Who put his name there? It's a question that people don't understand. The reason why I keep on asking the question. We were on call yesterday with some persons and we were discussing about this issue. I said, who put this man's name? The person is a terror sponsor. Yeah, the person is a terror sponsor. Now, they have profiled this man. This man is not going like sponsoring himself to Saudi Arabia. He's going based on sponsorship. People are sponsoring him. So who put his name among the people who are going to Saudi Arabia? This man has been declared wanted. This man has kidnapped nearly 10,000 persons on record. Not people they don't know. This man has been responsible for the death of thousands of people. He is going to pilgrimage in Saudi Arabia. A politician put his name. A leader, someone you call a leader, put his name there. So now, is he not working for that leader that put him? And the leader knew that his name is part of the people that they have declared wanted. It doesn't end there. Another question is, how will they handle this case? Because on February 10, members of Boko Haram who are manufacturing bomb were captured in Osun State. Up till now, court gave them order to arrest them, that after 60 days, they will now charge them to court or the case will start. I bet you up till today, nobody hear about the case any longer. They just forget about it. Where are these people? Now we are hearing rumor that they have released them. This is the kind of country you people are living, and we must say it. Now, another DSS officers were arrested. I mean, Department of State Security Service. Go and fact check me. They were aiding Fulani terrorists in Yoruba land. They were captured and bundled to Abuja. Up to today, we did not hear anything about their case. These are criminals, aiding criminals, people that they ought to charge for treason. No, they won't charge them for anything. They will just close the case, no matter what happened. But people who do not commit anything or minor offense, they are being charged for treason. Were you not aware when children, minors, were charged for treason for carrying Russian flag in Nigeria? That is not even a crime to carry a national flag in your country. It's not a crime. If you go to so many countries, you see people carrying different flags. In fact, in Nigeria, go to churches. American flag, Israel flag, Russian flag, everywhere. People see it as we welcome people from different nations there. But that is not the story for today. Let us focus the story for today. The concept I want to establish to you is that you must have the knowledge that your politicians are the sponsors of people who are killing you. Yes, your politicians are the sponsors of people who are killing you. They know all these people. They know. They can't tell you that, they don't know about what is going on. They know. Every attack, politicians have the intel, not all of them. We have 30% of politicians, if I'm correct, who are responsible for so many things who are going on, colluding to sponsor terrorism in Nigeria. And one of their boys was going to pilgrimage, and he was intercepted in Abuja. Now, let's understand the details of this article. Security operatives, especially the Department of State Service, DSS, have arrested a wanted kidnapper at the Hajj camp in Abuja during pilgrim screening ahead of their departure to Saudi Arabia, a security source confirmed to Daily Trust. The security source revealed that the suspected kidnapper, identified as Yahaya Zango, was arrested on Sunday. Zango, who resides in Payakon, Kore, area of Gwagwalada Area Council in Federal Capital Territory FCT, had reportedly been declared wanted by security agencies over his alleged involvement in multiple kidnapping incidents. Hello, this person is even living in Abuja. According to the source, Zango was apprehended after he presented his passport as part of a group of Muslim pilgrims from Abuja preparing to embark on this year's Hajj pilgrimage. So, maybe he thought that his Oga at the top will save him at that point, and of which his Oga will still save him, because they will tell you that this person has been arrested, the case closed. Is there anybody in Nigeria that don't know how Nnamdi Kanu's case is going? We know, because it's public. They even advertise it. They did all sort of things. It's public. But all these people, they will just cover it. You not hear about the case. Now, this is what he says. He says, it was this afternoon during the screening at the Hajj camp in the airport when the DSS operative apprehended him and whisked him away, the source was quoted as saying. A senior official from the Muslim Pilgrim Welfare Board, who preferred to remain anonymous, also confirmed the suspect's arrest. Then the trust gathered that the suspect had been on the run following a security-led manhunt. The Department of State Service DSS has yet to issue an official statement regarding the development. Now, another question I want you to put in your mind is, why is it that the Department of State Service has not issued an official statement about his arrest? Probably, they may have received call. And if I am challenging you to follow this case and see whether you will hear anything about it and anything. Many of issues like this I have tracked and you can't even hear about them any longer. Now, Nigeria has been grappling with multiple security threats that vary across its region. In the northeast, Boko Haram and its offshoot, Islamic State, West African Province, ISWAP, have waged a violent insurgency since 2009. This conflict has caused massive loss of lives, displacements of millions, and destructions of infrastructure. In the northwest and part of the north-central region, armed bandits engage in cattle rustling, armed robbery, and large-scale kidnapping for ransom. They operate from forested and rugged terrain, which makes it difficult for security forces to track and apprehend them. Kidnapping has become a nationwide problem affecting not only in the north but also the south and middle belt. It is used as a lucrative criminal enterprise, targeting students, government officials, businessmen, and ordinary citizens. The end of the article. So, since they have apprehended this man, what are they going to do? Even DSS refused to talk. DSS refused to talk. Let us watch and see what is going to happen. But I bet you nothing will happen. So today is not the first day such thing is happening. It has been happening, before now. But Nigerians don't understand the handwriting on the wall. Let me know what you think about this on the comment section.